Hello everyone, magandang araw sa ating lahat. So I'm Arn, one of your trusted financial advisors. I will not be talking about insurance today. I just wanna give my own perspective about what's going on here in the Philippines, especially the budgeting. One of the problems natin ngayon would be the PhilHealth budget. Yung para sa 2025 na tinanggalan ng budget. Pero ako ngayon, I would like to point out yung sa AKAP na bilyon yung inilagay na budget. I know that billion of peso would help a lot of Filipino people. Yun yung advantage. It will help a lot of Filipino people. But the problem is, di ba, sino yung matutulungan nun? Yung mga walang trabaho. Yung mas aasa sila sa gobyerno. Mas tinuturuan natin yung mga tamad na mas maging tamad. And that's the reality. And that's what is happening right now here in the Philippines. At yung masama pa rito, di ba? Pag binigay yung budget, hindi yan makukuha lahat or ng kompleto. Also, may mga nabibigyan ng benepisyo pero hindi ginagastos sa tamang paraan kasi marami pa rin yung mga batang hindi nakakapagtapos or hindi nakakapag-aral. Despite the fact na meron tayong mga programa kagaya nito. Tapos, yung mga workers, especially to those who are working in the middle class and up, who are paying more taxes, are getting fewer benefits. However, it should not be the case because I would say, in my own opinion, na yung mga middle class need more assistance because we have to protect them, us, as those people na tumutulong maiangat ang Pilipinas because we are paying taxes. If I would be given a chance to spend that billion funds from AKAP, I would really focus on helping, giving more benefits to those workers, especially to those who are in the middle class and up because they are the ones who are paying taxes and helping the Philippines. Benefits such as rent-to-own houses, di ba? Na may mas affordable na equity kasi mas mababayaran yun ng mga may mga trabaho, especially to those who are in the middle class and up. Health coverage, free health insurance sa family, and then free education. If we have these benefits, it's okay for me na mas taasan yung tax as long as it will be spent sa tamang paraan. With these examples ng mga benefits na pwede nating ibigay sa mga workers and middle class workers, this will encourage a lot of Filipino or a lot of people to find a job, pay for taxes to get these benefits. But sadly, hindi siya nangyayari. At sadly, talagang taliwas ngayon yung corruption sa Pilipinas and there's nothing that we can do about it. Yun lamang po. Maraming salamat. Bye!